an installation disk into the DVD-ROM drive.
Open Visual Studio 10 and double-click on Setup.
Click Install Visual Studio 2010. After the installation loads, click Next. On the Start page, accept the license agreement, type your product key and any other necessary information, and then click Next. On the Options page, select Full, and then click Next. Under Select Features to install, clear all features except Visual C#, and then click Install. On the Visual Studio Setup screen, click Exit.